Question number 1. Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Answer. Arctic Ocean. Question number 2. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? A. Canada, B. France, C. Brazil, D. England. Answer. France. Question number 3. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? A. Jordan and Sudan, B. Jordan and Israel, C. Turkey and UAE, D. UAE and Egypt. Answer. Jordan and Israel. Question number 4. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Answer. Atlantic Ocean. Question number 5. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? A. Austria, B. Holland, C. Switzerland, D. Italy. Answer. Switzerland. Question number 6. Which country is also known as the land of rising sun? A. New Zealand, B. Fiji, C. Japan, D. China. Answer. Japan. Question number 7. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Mongolia, D. Thailand. Answer. Bhutan. Question number 8. Which continent has the highest number of countries? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. North America, D. Africa. Answer. Africa. Question number 9. In which country white elephant is found? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Thailand, D. Malaysia. Answer. Thailand. Question number 10. Total number of oceans in the world is? A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 12. Answer. 5. Question number 11. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? A. Iceland, B. Norway, C. Finland, D. Switzerland. Answer. Finland. Question number 12. Which mountain is known as the roof of the world? A. Andes, B. Himalaya, C. Karakoram, D. Pamir. Answer. Pamir. Question number 13. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in? A. USA, B. Australia, C. Saudi Arabia, D. China. Answer. Saudi Arabia. Question number 14. Which one is the biggest island in the world? A. Borneo, B. Finland, C. Greenland, D. Sumatra. Answer. Greenland. Question number 15. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after British rule? A. 1982, B. 1989, C. 1995, D. 1997. Answer. 1997. Question number 16. Which one is the world's highest altitude civilian airport? A. Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport, Leh, B. Docheng Yading Airport, China, C. Kamdo Bamda Airport, China, D. None of the above. Answer. Docheng Yading Airport, China. Question number 17. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? A. Missouri River, B. Colorado River, C. Mississippi River, D. Yukon River. Answer. Colorado River. Question number 18. Which one is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? A. Southeast Asian rainforest, B. Daintree rainforest, C. Bosevas, D. Amazon. Answer. Amazon. Question number 19. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? A. 45, B. 50, C. 51, D. 75. Answer. 51. Question number 20. Which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? A. Himalaya, B. Andes, C. Rocky Mountains, D. Ural Mountains. Answer. Andes. Question number 21. Which country is also known as the land of tulips? A. Italy, B. Switzerland, C. Netherlands, D. Greece. Answer. Netherlands. Question number 22. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? A. France, B. England, C. Ireland, D. Belgium. Answer. Belgium. Question number 23. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in A. Italy, B. Japan, C. Peru, D. Fiji. Answer. Italy. Question number 24. The historic city of Machu Picchu is located in which country? A. Bolivia, B. Uruguay, C. Argentina, D. Peru. Answer. Peru. Question number 25. Which country has the world's largest prison population? A. India, B. China, C. USA, D. Brazil. Answer. USA. Question number 26. Which one is the biggest waterfall in Niagara Falls? A. Horseshoe Falls, B. American Falls, C. Bridal Veil Falls, D. None of the above. Answer. Horseshoe Falls. Question number 27. Which of the following is tropical grassland? A. Taiga, B. Savanna, C. Pampas, D. Prairies. Answer. Savanna. Question number 28. Which river flowing through the London City, England? A. Severn, B. Thames, C. Volga, D. None of the above. Answer. Thames. Question number 29. Only continent in the world without a desert is A. North America, B. Asia, C. Africa, D. Europe. Answer. Europe. Question number 30. Which one is the capital of Spain? A. Barcelona, B. Madrid, C. Seville, D. Lisbon. Answer. Madrid. Question number 31. Which country has the most number of lakes? A. USA, B. Canada, C. Finland, D. Brazil. Answer. Canada. Question number 32. Which country has the highest number of time zones? A. England, B. France, C. Russia, D. China. Answer. France. Question number 33. Emu bird is found in which country? A. New Zealand, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. Thailand. Answer. Australia. Question number 34. In which country the tallest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, is located? A. South Africa, B. Peru, C. Norway, D. Venezuela. Answer. Venezuela. Question number 35. Which river is passing through the Paris city? A. Seine, B. Thames, C. Nile, D. Volga. Answer. Seine. Question number 36. In which country the Yellowstone National Park is located? A. Russia, B. Canada, C. Brazil, D. USA. Answer. USA. Question number 37. Which one is the capital city of Canada? A. Toronto, B. Montreal, C. Ottawa, D. Vancouver. Answer. Ottawa. Question number 38. Which two countries shared the same longest land border between the two? A. China and Russia, B. America and Canada, C. Brazil and Argentina, D. India and China. Answer. America and Canada. Question number 39. Which one is the highest mountain in Japan? A. Mount Kita, B. Mount Aino, C. Mount Yari, D. Mount Fuji. Answer. Mount Fuji. Question number 40. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? A. Pakistan, B. Iran, C. Indonesia, D. Morocco. Answer. Indonesia. Question number 41. The world's largest coral reef system, Great Barrier Reef, is located at A. India, B. Malaysia, C. Australia, D. New Zealand. Answer. Australia. Question number 42. Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian order of which country? A. Italy, B. USA, C. Sweden, D. England. Answer. USA. Question number 43. International Women's Day is celebrated on A. The 2nd of January, B. The 5th of April, C. The 8th of March, D. The 15th of September. Answer. The 8th of March. Question number 44. Which island was previously known as Formosa? A. Hong Kong, B. Bali, C. Taiwan, D. Sri Lanka. Answer. Taiwan. Question number 45. Where the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense, Pentagon, is located? A. Arizona, B. Virginia, C. Ohio, D. Washington. Answer. Virginia. Question number 46. World Environment Day is observed every year on A. The 13th of January, B. The 26th of August, C. The 30th of September, D. The 5th of June. Answer. The 5th of June. Question number 47. Which city first observed the Earth hour turn off non-essential lights for 1 hour on the 31st of March 2007? A. San Francisco, B. Paris, C. Sydney, D. Rome. Answer. Sydney. Question number 48. Which animal is in the logo of WWF World Wildlife Fund for Nature? A. Tiger, B. Bald eagle, C. Bull, D. Giant panda. Answer. Giant panda. Question number 49. First American president to win a Nobel Peace Prize. A. Theodore Roosevelt, B. Woodrow Wilson, C. Barack Obama, D. Jimmy Carter. Answer. Theodore Roosevelt. Question number 50. Sofia is the capital city of which country? A. Hungary, B. Poland, C. Romania, D. Bulgaria. Answer. Bulgaria. Question number 51. How many countries have border with the Black Sea? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 8. Answer. 6. Question number 52. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in the city. A. Bern, B. Lisbon, C. Oslo, D. Berlin. Answer. Oslo. Question number 53. All Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize is given at the city. A. Oslo, B. Stockholm, C. Bern, D. Zurich. Answer. Stockholm. Question number 54. Which one is the largest country by population in African continent? A. South Africa, B. Nigeria, C. Algeria, D. Tunisia. Answer. Nigeria. Question number 55. Which one is the first constitutional republic in Asia? A. Hong Kong, B. Brunei, C. India, D. Taiwan. Answer. Taiwan. Question number 56. Which country has the highest density of population in the world? A. Singapore, B. Bangladesh, C. Monaco, D. Bahrain. Answer. Bangladesh. Question number 57. The island, Bali, famous as tourist spot, is a part of which country? A. Indonesia, B. Malaysia, C. South Korea, D. Sri Lanka. Answer. Indonesia. Question number 58. La Paz is the capital city of which country? A. Bolivia, B. Chile, C. Venezuela, D. Brazil. Answer. Bolivia. Question number 59. Which one is the most populous city in South America? A. Brasilia, B. Lima, C. Sao Paulo, D. Santiago. Answer. Sao Paulo. Question number 60. Sultan Ahmed Mosque is located in A. Istanbul, B. Karachi, C. Makkah, D. Dubai. Answer. Istanbul. Question number 61. Kiev is the capital city of which country? A. Romania, B. Turkey, C. Kazakhstan, D. Ukraine. Answer. Ukraine. Question number 62. Which city is also known as the Fruit Garden of Pakistan? A. Karachi, B. Quetta, C. Lahore, D. Faisalabad. Answer. Quetta. Question number 63. The headquarters of the European Parliament is located in A. Paris, B. Brussels, C. Copenhagen, D. London. Answer. Brussels. Question number 64. Krone is the currency of which country? A. Finland, B. Greece, C. Denmark, D. Hungary. Answer. Denmark. Question number 65. Earth Day is celebrated on A. September 17th, B. February 16th, C. April 4th, D. April 22nd. Answer. April 22nd. Question number 66. Rand is the currency of which country? A. Romania, B. South Africa, C. Iran, D. Namibia. Answer. South Africa. Question number 67. Kimono is a dress style of which Asian country? A. Laos, B. China, C. Japan, D. Korea. Answer. Japan. Question number 68. The United Nations General Assembly meets regularly. A. After 6 months, B. Once in a year, C. Once in 2 years, D. Twice a year. Answer. Once in a year. Question number 69. Warsaw is the capital of which country? A. Czech Republic, B. Poland, C. Lithuania, D. Ukraine. Answer. Poland. Question number 70. Which one is the most saline water body in the world? A. Lake Urmia, B. Gatale Pond, C. Lake Assal, D. Don Havan Pond. Answer. Gatale Pond. Question number 71. Diego Garcia is an island in which ocean? A. Pacific, B. Atlantic, C. Indian Ocean, D. Arctic. Answer. Indian Ocean. Question number 72. Which was the first country to introduce VAT? A. England, B. France, C. USA, D. Japan. Answer. France. Question number 73. Which city is also known as the City of Canals? A. Amsterdam, B. Venice, C. Rome, D. Athens. Answer. Venice. Question number 74. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Brazil, D. China. Answer. China. Question number 75. Where are the headquarters of World Wide Fund for Nature WWF? A. Canada, B. USA, C. Germany, D. Switzerland. Answer. Switzerland. Question number 76. The Pico Island is located in A. Egypt, B. Turkey, C. Portugal, D. Switzerland. Answer. Portugal. Question number 77. The Engadine Valley is located in A. Egypt, B. Turkey, C. Portugal, D. Switzerland. Answer. Switzerland. Question number 78. Egypt connects the two continents. A. South America and North America, B. Asia and Europe, C. Asia and Africa, D. Asia and Australia. Answer. Asia and Africa. Question number 79. What was the first country to recognize the US as independent? A. Morocco, B. Israel, C. Germany, D. None of these. Answer. Morocco. Question number 80. Which was the first country to leave the UN United Nations? A. Iran, B. Ghana, C. Indonesia, D. None of these. Answer. Indonesia. Question number 81. In which country were modern banknotes first used? A. Sweden, B. France, C. China, D. None of these. Answer. Sweden. Question number 82. Which country was the first to make seat belts compulsory for journey? A. China, B. Czechoslovakia, C. France, D. None of these. Answer. Czechoslovakia. Question number 83. The oldest written constitution of government in effect in which country? A. UK, B. Canada, C. USA, D. None of these. Answer. USA. Question number 84. Where is the world's longest sea bridge? A. Japan, B. Russia, C. China, D. None of these. Answer. China. Question number 85. The longest road tunnel of the world is A. Angkor, Cambodia, B. St. Gotthard, Sweden, C. Broadway, USA, D. None of these. Answer. St. Gotthard, Sweden. Question number 86. Largest artificial lake in the world is A. Lake Baikal, B. Lake Kariba, C. Lake Superior, D. None of these. Answer. Lake Baikal. Question number 87. The youngest elected president of USA is A. John F. Kennedy, B. Obama, C. Andrew Jackson, D. None of these. Answer. John F. Kennedy. Question number 88. Panama, a country, connects the two continents. A. South America and North America, B. Asia and Africa, C. Asia and Europe, D. Asia and Australia. Answer. South America and North America. Question number 89. Who was the first man to fly into space? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Robert Walpole, C. Henry Waterloo, D. George Bush. Answer. Yuri Gagarin. Question number 90. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? A. Vietnam, B. Colombia, C. Brazil, D. Mexico. Answer. Brazil. Question number 91. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcano in the world, is located in A. Italy, B. Japan, C. Peru, D. Fiji. Answer. Italy. Question number 92. Which one is the largest ocean in the world? A. Indian, B. Pacific, C. Atlantic, D. Arctic. Answer. Pacific. Question number 93. The longest lunar eclipse of 21st century was occurred on A. the 27th of August 2018, B. the 27th of July 2018, C. the 27th of June 2018, D. None of these. Answer. The 27th of July 2018. Question number 94. Pemba and Zanzibar islands of Africa are famous for the cultivation and export of A. Cloves, B. Sugarcane, C. Tobacco, D. Coffee. Answer. Cloves. Question number 95. Which of the following countries are separated by the Strait of Gibraltar? A. Portugal and Morocco, B. Algeria and Spain, C. Morocco and Spain, D. Algeria and Portugal. Answer. Morocco and Spain. Question number 96. Oxus is the ancient name of which of the following rivers? A. Tigris, B. Euphrates, C. Amu Darya, D. Syr Darya. Answer. Amu Darya. Question number 97. Which of the following is the narrowest strait of the world? A. Bosporus, B. Bab el Mandeb, C. Strait of Dardanelles, D. Four Strait. Answer. Bosporus. Question number 98. Tibetan Plateau can be best placed in which among the following categories of plateaus? A. Intermontane Plateau, B. Continental Plateau, C. Volcanic Plateau, D. Dissected Plateau. Answer. Intermontane Plateau. Question number 99. What is the upper limit of Richter scale? A. 8, B. 9, C. 10, D. No limit. Answer. No limit. Question number 100. Yokohama and Kobe are the main centers of shipbuilding industry in A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. North Korea, D. China. Answer. Japan.